In this example, the form is missing a label. So what we see on the form right now is actually placeholder text. So when I use VoiceOver, it will read the placeholder text, but when I go back to that field, because there isn't a label, it won't have anything to read.
VoiceOver on Chrome. Account number edit text blank. Account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Patient last name edit text blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Contents selected edit text. VoiceOver off.
Now if I fix this to add a label, when I go back to this field, it will read that label even though I've already put information in it.
Welcome to VoiceOver.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Contents selected. Account number edit text. Patient last name edit text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Contents selected. Account number edit text. Your VoiceOver off.
So now that I added a label to it, it said account number after it read what was typed into the field.